Looking for toilet installation and replacement in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand how frustrating a malfunctioning toilet can be. It disrupts your daily life and can even lead to more serious plumbing problems. Our toilet installation and replacement service in Sherwood Park provides expert solutions for everything from leaky toilets to complete bathroom renovations. We handle it all, ensuring your new toilet is installed correctly and efficiently, saving you time and hassle. Whether you're upgrading to a more efficient model or simply need a reliable replacement, Kingstree Plumbing is here to help. In Sherwood Park, we know that older homes can sometimes have unique plumbing challenges. That's why our experienced plumbers are familiar with the specific needs of the area and can handle any situation, big or small. We're committed to providing top quality service and ensuring your complete satisfaction. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for toilet installation and replacement in Sherwood Park.